I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us understand how to apply the factoring techniques learned for solving equations. Solving equations really means to make left side equals to right side. And in this particular video, we will do difference of squares and grouping. Those are the two techniques which we are going to learn with the help of these examples. I'd like you to pause the video, copy these questions, try them on your own, and then look into my suggestion. The questions are 2x squared minus 18 equals to 0, 3x squared minus 12 equals to 0, 6x squared minus 24 equals to 0, and 5x squared minus 20 equals to 0. Now let's solve them one by one. So in the first case, 2x squared minus 18 equals to 0, we can take 2 common. Once we take 2 common, we are left with x squared minus 9 equals to 0. Now 9 is 3 squared, so we can apply difference of squares, right? So we get 2 times, let me first write this as 3 squared, right? As an additional step, and then we will factor x plus 3 times x minus 3 equals to 0, right? Now solving equation with factoring, the reason why we factored was, we want to find the value of x which will make left side 0, since right side is 0. Now when you multiply two numbers, properties of 0 is 0 times anything is 0. So we could equate each factor to 0 to find the solution. That's the whole idea. So here minus 3 is going to give us 0, and in this case the factor x minus 3 is 0 when x is equal to 3. Therefore the solution is x equals to minus 3 or plus 3. So these are the two solutions. Okay, so let's do the next question. Group factoring, 3 is common, so we can write this as 3x squared minus 12. Let's take 3 common, so we get x squared minus 4 equals to 0. Now that is 2 squared, right? You can do square root of 4. You know square root of 4 is 2, right? So 2 squared is 4. Therefore, we could write this as 3 times x plus 2 times x minus 2 equals to 0. Now equating each factor to 0 gives us different solutions. Now these two factors could be 0. 3 is a constant. It can never be 0. So x plus 2 equals to 0 when x equals to minus 2. And x minus 2 equals to 0 when x is equal to plus 2. Therefore, our solution is x is equals to plus minus 2, right? Two solutions, correct. These two apply the same technique. Here 6 is common, right? So we get 6 and we have x squared minus 4, right? Equals to 0. Now each factor should be 0. X squared minus 4 is 0 for what values? Plus minus 2, right? So you could do square root of 2 and find the answer. But what we will do is, we are using factoring. Let's factor it. We get 6 times x plus 2 times x minus 2 equals to 0, and that gives us two solutions, which is x equals to plus minus 2. Last example is kind of similar. 5 is a common factor, so we get x squared minus 4. 5 times 4 is 20, and these two are similar factor. Let me write this as x plus 2 times x minus 2 equals to 0. X is equals to plus minus 2. So we get x equals to plus minus 2 in 3 of our questions. Okay, anyway, the idea was to practice. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.